So if you're a beginner, I would recommend starting off with the Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes. These are the ones that I started off with, and you can get a pack of these for like $10, I think. Today I'm going to be showing you the Ardell Wispies, which are a little more advanced. They're a little more dramatic than the Demi Wispies, and these are fresh out the pack. I've never used them, so I'm going to show you how I use them and how to apply them and all that stuff. And then once you've got those down and you think you want something a little more dramatic, I recommend the Jasmine Brown Curly Queen lashes or these Morphe lashes in Sunset Boulevard. These cost about $8 and these were about $3. They're both great options. It's just depending on your price point and if you want to buy it online or in store, anything like that. Before gluing down your eyelashes, you're going to want to place them on your eye to see if they're too long and if you need to trim them. So that's what I'm going to do now. So as you can see, these lashes are a little too long for me, so I'm going to trim them a bit. But when you're trimming your eyelashes, you always want to make sure you start off with a little bit because you can always take more off, but you can't add the lashes that you remove back on. So I'm just going to cut off this section here. Just a few lashes. So I started off by only taking off this much because I'm really cautious and I don't want to cut them too short. So then I just go in and put them back on my eye. And see if I like the length. So for me, this is pretty good. Like, I'm okay with this length. Like, it's not too long. I think it looks good. So now I'm just gonna go in and do the same thing on the other side. And also, I forgot to mention, when you're cutting your lashes, you always want to cut from the outside and not the inside, because the inside is shorter than the outside, so you want to cut the longer sides so it doesn't look like really long in the front if you cut the front. Okay, I'm happy with this length. So once you've cut your eyelashes, then what you want to do is you want to prepare your natural eyelashes for the eyelash application. So I first start off by curling my eyelashes. And most people like to apply mascara. I personally don't like to apply like a black mascara because my eyelashes are naturally pretty dark and mascara is just really hard to take off. So I either do no mascara or I use this e.l.f. clear mascara, and today I'm going to apply this. So while that's drying, you want to think about how you're going to actually go in and apply the lashes. You can use your fingers, you can use this tool. I got it Forever 21 for like $2, I believe, or you can use a pair of tweezers. Personally, I like to use my fingers with a combination of tweezers. I don't really like to use this tool. You can if you want, but I personally don't prefer it. So now what you want to do is you want to take your eyelashes, and I like to just hold them in my fingers. And the lash glue I'm going to be using today is the Duo Lash Glue in clear. You can use black, but if you're a beginner, I recommend using clear. But if you like to do winged eyeliner, you could do that and use the black. I feel like that would look better, but personally, I don't really like to do winged eyeliner, so I just stick to the clear glue. So when applying the glue, you just want to wipe off the excess on the rim of the tube, and then you want to just take your lash and put the glue on, just a very thin layer. You might need to go back and get more, but you just want to put on a thin layer of glue. And my glue, it's blue right now, but it does dry clear, so if that happens to your glue, don't be worried, it's all good. So you just want to apply a thin layer of glue, and then I like to apply extra glue on the edges just to make sure they stick really well. So then you just want to wait for the glue to dry. You can blow on it, fan it in the air, do whatever you want. You want it to get a little tacky so that when you apply the lashes, they really stick down. And when you're applying your lashes, you want to make sure that your mirror is facing upward and you're looking down to it. This way, it'll get really close to the lash line and it'll look as natural as possible. So I'm just going to fan these. So after you fan the lashes, you want to go ahead and put them on. So I like to do is hold them like this in my hand, and then I get close to my mirror and I look down and I just stick it on where I think it should go. So I just put the middle on like that, and then I take my tweezers and I do the outer corner. And then I move on to the inner corner. And what you want to do is pinch your natural lashes and the false lashes together. And as you can see, the outer corner on this lash did not stick, so I just go in with a little more glue and try to stick it down. And it's okay if the glue gets on your lid because it'll dry clear. So that's one lash. I'm just gonna go to the other one and come back. Okay, so now I have both lashes on, and as you can see, this style is very natural, but it adds a lot to the whole makeup look. So this is the final look, how I apply my false lashes. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.